Good morning, students. Now it's time for a maths class, and today we will be doing the revision work of maths. So look at the first one. Write the place value of the underlined digit and the face value of the circle digit. So first, again, let me do a revision work. What is place value? Place value of a digit depends on its place or position in the given number in the place value chart. Again, I am explaining you what is place value. Place value of the digit, it depends on its place or the position in the given number in the place value chart. And what is face value? Face value is the value of the digit itself in the given number, irrespective of its position in the place value chart. Whatever the position the digit occupies, the face value will be the digit itself in the given number. And always remember the place value and face value of 0 is always 0. So look at the first one, number 5983. So if we write down ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, so we have to write the place value of the underlined circle. Underlined circle, that is 9. So what is the place in the place value chart? What is the place of 9? It is 900. So write down 900 and the face value, and the face value is the circle 5. So the face value will be 5. Next, 1000 1482. So we have to write down the place value of 2. What is the place value of 2? It turns in ones. So write down place value 2. It comes under the ones, and face value is face value is 4. Next, 3941. What is the place value of 4? It is in the place value chart, it is in the hundreds. So write down 400. It's in tens. 40. Place value is 40 and face value is 1. Next, 4248. So what is the place value of 4 in this number? It is tens. Look at this one, 48248. So what is the place value of 4 in this? Is 40 and face value will be 2. Next, write the expanded form. 3150 tens plus 7 ones. So if you expand it, it will be 3100 5 tens 7 ones. Next, 6400 4 tens and 5. So 6400 4 tens and 5 ones. Next, 8100 5 tens 6 ones. Next, 7800. So 7800 0 tens 5 ones. Next, 9140 tens ones. So 9100 4 tens and 1 ones. Now look at the sums. Find the sum of the place value of 2 sevens in 4775. Find the sum of the place value of the two sevens in 4775. So first we have to take out two sevens are there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So sum means we have to add. The two, that is, one is 700 and the next is 70, that is 70. So what the sum is being asked? Find the sum of the place value of the two sevens in 4775. So one seventh place is 700 and the other one is 70. So if we have to find the sum, so we have to plus these two numbers. So if we add these two numbers, we'll get 770. So the answer will be 770. Look at the next sums. Find the difference of the place value of the two fours in 4814. So difference means you have to subtract. So first put the units ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So find the difference of the place value of the two fours in 4814. So 1 4 it is 4000. So as we have to find the difference, so we have to subtract it. Next one is 410, that is 4. 4000 minus 4, if you add 4000 minus 4, the answer will be 3996. So find the difference of the place value of the two fours in 4814. First we have to take out the under which what is the place value of two fours. The one place value is 4000 and the other one is fours ones. So if we subtract 4000 minus 4, the answer we will be getting is 3996. So write down, the answer is 3996. Now look at the next one. Find the product of the place value and the face value of 5. Product means we have to multiply. And the number is 3517. So of this 5 we have to take out the place value also and the face value. So what will be the place value of 5 here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. It will be 100, 500. And what will be the face value? Face value will be 5. Just the number itself. And we have to find out the product. So product means we have to multiply. So if we multiply 500 into 5, the answer will be 0, 0 to 5 5 is 25. Answer is 2500. Next, write the standard form for each of the following. 5210. So what will you write down? 5210. 5210. Next, 7406. So what will be the writing? 7406. 7406. Next, 9920. 9920. So 9920. 9920. Next, 2075. 2075. So 2075. 2075. Now look at exercise 1A. Write the following numerals in words. 4535. So what will be the 4531? Next, 6148. 5173. And then you write the following number names in figures. 2305. So what will be that? 2305. So 2305, 2305. Next 8006. So 8006, 8000 and 8600. So 8600. 8600 means 8600. Next 5180. 5180. So 5180 will be the answer. 9504. So 9504. 9504. 9504. Next 6234. So 6234. 6234. 6234. Next 1985. So 1985. 1985 will be the answer. Now look at the complete the table before and after. So the number that comes, you have to write in the before number. So before 1578 will be 1577. Next 6419 will be 6418. 8415 will be 8414. 9114 will be 9113. 8157 will be 8156. 6458 will be 6457. 7110 will be 7009. After numbers. After 6418 will be 6419. 7113 will be 7114. 2159 will be 2160. Next 5168 will be 5169. 4115 will be 4116. Next 3618 will be 3619. Next 7119 will be 7120. Next between number. Between 1111 and 1113 will be 1112. Between 2454, 2455, 2456. Next 6110, 6111, 6112. Next 8119, 8120, 8121. Next 9120, 9121, 9122. Next 5888, 5889, 5890. 7224, 7225, 7226. So I have done this revision work. The sums which I will be giving you, copy the sums in your notebook and solve it. Thank you.